Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the new locations in Fisherman Island from the latest Fish 8 update. So Fish 8 just dropped a massive update to the Fisherman Island, and here I'm going to show you the new locations inside the Fisherman Island. So here you can just go from here near the stairs. There will be this room called mutation cellar. So let's just teleport in here, and inside the cellar you'll find all of these items in here. The mutation items, including the ancient stone, the new evolved ancient stone in here, and there's also this like rarest fish leaderboard inside the cellar. So you guys can see in here there are these ranks right here, and if you go inside you'll also see all of this kind of mutation in Fish 8: midnight, holographic, ghost, radioactive. So there are lots of mutations kinds in here. So let's go down. So there are lots of this, but I don't know what the functions of this room beside that. There's no fishing spot in here. I think these are just for display. So this is a new room, new location inside the Fisherman Island. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.